Innovative, powerful, efficient and reliable. Presenting S-CNG technology, a quantum leap in the world of smart and eco-friendly mobility, powered by Maruti Suzuki. Technology learned and earned through decades of research and development resides at the heart of Maruti Suzuki S-CNG vehicles. S-CNG's intelligent system is engineered directly into the frame during the process of assembly. The results? A driving experience that is designed to deliver the best in performance, safety, durability and convenience. The intelligent injection system equipped with dual interdependent electronic control units constantly maintain an optimum air-to-fuel ratio, ensuring that you're never short on power no matter where you're driving. The enhanced braking system and optimized suspension setup ensure an incredibly responsive driving experience that is never hindered by the added CNG system load. Safety is the most imperative aspect of anything we design. The dual solenoid system only releases the gas when the vehicle switches to CNG mode. The micro switch ensures that the vehicle is turned off and does not start during fuel filling. In addition to a leak-proof and corrosion-resistant design, each S-CNG vehicle is reinforced with stainless steel pipes, thus eliminating all chances of hazards. That is why each Maruti Suzuki S-CNG vehicle comes equipped with the state-of-the-art safety components to guarantee each passenger a secure driving experience every time. A precise fuel level indicator, auto fuel switch and an advanced natural gas vehicle receptacle for faster refueling. They all work in harmony to provide convenience that is as effortless as it is enjoyable to use. The uniquely manufactured engineering parts, high-quality valve seats and numerous proven mounting parts ensure that the S-CNG powered vehicles are able to deliver their best for years. So get ready to experience the future of performance, safety, efficiency and convenience with Maruti Suzuki S-CNG.